Welcome to Advanced Careers, where education meets practicality. Do you want to become a project manager? Have you been looking into the role of the skills, the techniques, the tools of project management? Project management is a specialist area, and this area requires specialist skills and experience. There are fundamental processes for managing projects in IT, in construction, in government, whichever industry. And I want to walk you through this fundamental process called the project life cycle. In the project life cycle, or PLC, we have 5 phases: project initiation, project planning, project execution, monitoring and control, and project closure. And each of these phases has specific and specialized objectives. In the project initiation phase, the goal is to get approval for the project, and you can do this by capturing the problems, the opportunities, the risk, the cost implication, the timeline for the project, and also the resources. Now, from the project initiation phase, we can determine whether or not the project is viable through the business case, the project charter, and other project initiation documents. But let's say that this project is approved and you as the project manager have been given the go-ahead to plan the project. That is when you move to the next phase of project life cycle, the planning phase. At the planning phase, there are about 9 to 10 project knowledge areas like cost, timeline, resources, project scope, risk, and other project knowledge areas. Now, you would plan for each of these knowledge areas. Let me give you an example. Let's say, for instance, you want to build a new website. All right. Now, what are the features of the website? What should this website contain? Who would be the users of this website? This will be captured in your project scope or your scope statement, and also your project timeline, or as we call our project schedule. How long will it take to deliver this project from development up to the point where you deliver this project to the end users? This will be captured in your project timeline. How much would it cost for each of the resources? And also you start planning for risk, because the project is going to be delivered in some time in the future. Upon completing your project plan, and the plan documents, or all of the plan documents, are basically used to manage the other areas of the project. So basically, in the second phase of the project life cycle, you plan the execution of the subsequent phases. And then we move to the third phase of project execution. This is where the actual product will be developed. The developers, the software developers, the software testers, the data analysts, they will start creating the actual project. And what do you do as the project manager? You monitor and control whatever is happening at the delivery phase. Phase number 3 and phase number 4 happen in parallel. While your teams are busy working to deliver and create the actual product, you as the project manager will be responsible in monitoring the KPIs. For instance, how long should a task take to start and finish? What are the dependencies between one task and the other? What are the resources? What are the costs that we've planned in the initial phase? And also, what is the actual cost? You try to bring any variance between the plan and the execution to line, so that you manage your triple constraints: time, cost, and also scope. Upon managing and controlling the execution phase successfully, you move to the final phase, project closure. At the project closure phase, you disperse your team, you train the end users where necessary, and also you deliver the actual product to the sponsor and the end user. These are the 5 phases of project management, and as a project manager, you would manage your project based on the specific phase you are within the project life cycle. If your goal is to become a project manager, if you want to break into the IT industry ASAP, do give us a call. If you are watching this on Facebook, on YouTube, or any other digital platform, we will be here to help you achieve your career goals. Thank you. My name is David Akiba from Advanced Careers.